What's that noise?
It's just floor timbers drying out and expanding. Go to sleep, everyone. The moon hitting a water tower.
Philip? There's something outside.
Look! Through the window. There's words in the sky.
It's an omen. Something terrible's going to happen.
Don't worry! It's just some wild snails rutting.
Bloody hell. We're only in space.
It's all right, son. We're getting you back to where you belong. Into the wild.
My contact lenses. My lip fill, my shoe trees.
Calm down, everyone. Calm down. Who's in there?
Please don't hurt us. We're just, harmless, educated,
Well read.
Musical.
sexy.
Vivisectionist scum. Vivi who?
Vivian Westwood? Is she really here? Guy Ritchie's bonding.
My contact lens case.
Right.
Time for breakfast.
What on earth is this?
It looks like some
Sort of terrible.
cheap hotel.
Excuse me. If I were you, I would complain to the manager you don't seem to have an ensuite bathroom.
There's something about this that I just don't like.